Hello friends, welcome once again to my channel Olympiad Mathematics class. Then today we shall consider our last exercise, which says 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b plus 2 raised to power c equals 328. Find the value of a, b and c. So the first thing we do is to multiply, give all of them 2 raised to power a, so that they have 2 raised to power a in common. Now for 2 raised to power b to have 2 raised to power a and still remain 2 raised to power b, it means we multiply 2 raised to power b by 2 raised to power a, then divide by 2 raised to power a, so that 2 raised to power a will cancel 2 raised to power a and still remains 2 raised to power b. Then we do the same thing to 2 raised to power c, multiply by 2 raised to power a over 2 raised to power a. So if you cancel out 2 raised to power a and 2 raised to power a, 2 raised to power c will still remain. Then now we have given all of them 2 raised to power a. They have 2 raised to power a in common now. So we now have 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power b times 2 raised to power a, all divided by 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power c times 2 raised to power a, all divided by 2 raised to power a equals 328. Then if we factor out 2 raised to power a, the 2 raised to power a in the first 2 raised to power a, then we have 1, then plus 2 raised to power b times 2 raised to power a, that times 2 raised to power a, factor it out, it will remain 2 raised to power b over 2 raised to power a, then plus 2 raised to power c. If we factor out times 2 raised to power a there, we have 2 raised to power c over 2 raised to power a, then equals 328. So we have 2 raised to power a plus, open bracket, plus 1, open bracket, 1 plus 2 raised to power b over 2 raised to power a plus 2 raised to power c over 2 raised to power a, close bracket, equals 328. So the next thing we have here is if we, as we have factored out 2 raised to power a, then we have 1 plus 2 raised to power b over 2 raised to power a. Then that 2 raised to power b over 2 raised to power a, if we use the law of indices, it means 2 raised to power b divided by 2 raised to power a. Then since it's division and they have the same base, we take one of the bases, so we have 2 raised to power b minus a. That is, we change the division to minus because we are taking one of the bases, and then division changes to minus. So we have 2 raised to power b minus a. Then plus the same thing with 2 raised to power c over 2 raised to power a. It will become 2 raised to power c divided by 2 raised to power a. Then since they have the same basis, then the same base, and then we use the law of indices, we have take one of the bases, then we minus the power, so we have 2 raised to power c minus a. Then we now have 2 raised to power a, open bracket, 1 plus 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a, close bracket, equals 328. Then if we factor out 328 to be 8 times 41, 8 times 41 will give us 328. Now since 2 raised to power, then we now have 2 raised to power a, open bracket, 1 plus 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a, close bracket, equals 8 times 41. Now since 2 raised to power a is an even number, we'll equate it to 8. So we have 2 raised to power a equals 8. So if we simplify 8 to 2 raised to power 3, then we have 2 raised to power a equals 2 raised to power 3. Now since they have the same base according to law of indices, we equate the power, so we have a equals 3. So we have gotten the value of a equals 3. Now from the other equation where we have open bracket 1 plus 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a, close bracket, we equate the other equation to 41, the second value of the 328. We have equated 8 to 2 raised to power a, then we take 41, equate it to 1 plus 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a. So the next thing we have here is, since we are equating 1 plus 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a equals 41, then what we do here is to minus 1 from both sides to eliminate that 1 from the left side. So if we minus 1 from both sides, we have 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a equals 40. So what we do next here is, since we have 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a equals 40, if you take 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a divided by 2 raised to power b minus a times 2 raised to power b minus a, what you are trying to do is for them to have 2 raised to power b minus a in common. So if you take 2 raised to power c minus a divided by 2 raised to power b minus a times 2 raised to power b minus a, the 2 raised to power b minus a will cancel out 2 raised to power b minus a, so we still have 2 raised to power c minus a. But we want it to be there so that we can factor out 2 raised to power b minus a. So we have 2 raised to power b minus a plus 2 raised to power c minus a over 2 raised to power b minus a times 2 raised to power b minus a equals 40. So if we factor out 2 raised to power b minus a, we have 2 raised to power b minus a into bracket, then that first one become 1 plus, if we factor out the times 2 raised to power b minus a, we have 2 raised to power c minus a over 2 raised to power b minus a. But because of that over, and they have the same base 2, we take one of the two, then we now minus the power, which will now become 2 raised to power c minus a minus b minus a into bracket. Then we close the big bracket, we have equals 40. So we have 2 raised to power b minus a, close open bracket, 1 plus 2 raised to power c minus a minus open bracket b minus a, close bracket, close the bigger bracket, equals 40. So now if we factor out our 40 to be 8 times 5, which will give us 40, since 2 raised to power b minus a will also be an even number, no matter how you solve it, it will end up being an even number. So we give it 8 being even number as well. So we equate it to 8. So we have 2 raised to power b minus a equals 8, and then we equate the other one to 5. So if we equate 2 raised to power b minus a to equate it to 8, we have 2 raised to power b minus a equals 8. Then we simplify 8 to be 2 raised to power 3. Then we have 2 raised to power b minus a equals 2 raised to power 3. Then they have the same base. According to law of indices, we equate the power. So we have b minus a equals 3. Then we have gotten a initially in our previous solution. So from our previous solution, we have our a to be 3. So we plug in the value of a here as 3. So we have b minus 3 equals 3. So we add 3 to both sides. We have b minus 3 plus 3 equals 3 plus 3. Minus 3 cancels out plus 3. So we have b equals 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. B equals 6. Since we have factored out 40 to be 8 times 5 and we have equated 2 raised to power b minus a equals 8, what we do now, we equate the second equation 1 plus 2 raised to power c minus a minus open bracket minus b minus a close bracket equals 5. Now we equate it to 5. So if we equate it to 5, the next thing we do is to minus 1 from both sides to eliminate the 1 at the left side. So if you minus 1 from both sides, you have 1 minus 1, that's 0. We have 2 raised to power c minus a minus open bracket b minus a close bracket equals 5 minus 1, that's 4. So if we simplify 4 to be 2 raised to power 2, then we have 2 raised to power c minus a minus open bracket b minus a close bracket equals 2 raised to power 2. From our previous solving, we have 2 raised to power c minus a minus b open bracket minus b minus a close bracket equals 2 raised to power 2. So if we open that small bracket we have and we cancel out the base 2. According to the law of indices, the base are equal, we cancel them out. So we equate the power, that is c minus a minus open bracket b minus a close bracket equals 2. So if you expand the bracket, we have c minus a minus b plus a, because minus times minus will be plus, so plus. So plus a equals 2. Then the minus a we cancel out plus a. So we have c minus b equals 2. So since our b is equal to 6, we can plug it in here as the value of b. So we have c minus 6 equals 2. So if we plus 6 to both sides, or we take minus 6 to the other side using additive inverse, we have c equals 2 plus 6. That means c equals 8. Now we have gotten the values of a, b, c. Our a is 3, our b is 6, and our c is 8. Our exercise for the next class will be simplify open bracket square root of 50 minus 7 close bracket raised to power 475 multiply by open bracket square root of 15 plus 7 close bracket raised to power 475. Don't forget to click the notifications, subscription, like button for more of this. Thank you.